little bit of issue here. There is the fiber is broken because once the cover was removed, everything went down. So we're here to fix. First, we're gonna organize the whole space. We're gonna put everything inside, and we're gonna fix the fiber. So we're gonna splice the fiber over here. We have here the other side of the fiber. Once that's done, we're gonna put that, and then we have over there the firewall, and let's see how it goes. Here is the process. We just move the alarm equipment so we can keep the space for the other parts that we're gonna be installing. So here is, we're almost done. Everything's being organized. We're putting the battery back together. Switches there. Cable management, color coding, firewall, fiber, unified switch. We have the Ubiquiti cloud key, backup, cable management in this area. Almost done. Okay, wiring is done so far. This is now we're getting ready for the splicing of the fiber. Put the equipment here. This is what we have so far. We got the other part right here. So we will fix the fiber. Okay, this is our after. Organizing the cables. Now we're gonna work with the fiber. Got the equipment ready over here. We're getting ready to finish the room.